Hello students, welcome to math class. Today we will start the fourth part of chapter 7. So here in page number 76 you can see my measuring bottle. Find your own way to make a bottle which can measure 200 milliliter, 400 milliliter, 600 milliliter, 800 milliliter and 1 liter. Discuss with your friends and teacher how you made it. This I am not doing. Next, guess and check. Look at the buckets, mugs, glasses and other things in your house. Guess how much water each can hold. Check if your guess is right by using your measuring bottle. So my glass, my measure, mug, glass, plot. Here you can see this you will do on your own. Now question number 1. Neetu in hospital. Neetu has to take 3 injections in a day for 5 days. How much medicine will she need for 1 day? How much medicine in all 5 days? This is the question. And the doctor is saying 1 injection gives 5 milliliter of the medicine to your body. And Neetu is saying, I am not afraid of injections. So what did doctor say? Doctor said 1 injection gives 5 milliliter medicine. Okay. And she needs 3 injections in a day for 5 days. So now the answer, quantity of medicine in 1 injection equals 5 ml, that we all know. It is given that Neetu has to take 3 injections in 1 day for 5 days. So quantity of medicine in 3 injections, 3 into 5 ml equals 15 ml. Okay, so quantity of medicine in 3 injections. So Neetu will need 15 ml medicine in 1 day because in 1 day she needs 3 injections. So Neetu will need 15 ml of medicine in 1 day. That is the first answer. Now number 2. The question is how much medicine in all for 5 days. Now quantity of medicine needed by Neetu in 1 day equals 15 ml. Quantity of medicine needed by Neetu in 5 days equals 5 into 15 ml equals 75 ml. So Neetu will need 75 ml of medicine in 5 days. Now the next question you can see in your book. How much do we use at a time? Eye drops we use less than 1 milliliter at a time. This it has been given. Next, injection we use less than 10 milliliter at a time. Tea we take less than 200 milliliter at a time. Water we take less than 300 milliliter at a time. Now question number 3. List things we use more than 1 liter at a time. This is the question in your book you can see. Now I am giving you the answer. These answers you will copy in your book. Answer list. Water for taking bath. Water for washing clothes. Water for cooking food at a wedding ceremony. Water for filling a big basket. So these are the things we use more than 1 liter at a time. Page number 78, question number 1. So here the question is, Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 milliliter of water and her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. How much water is left in her bottle? Now the answer. Capacity of Amina's water bottle is 1 liter. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. So Amina's water bottle holds 1000 milliliter of water. Quantity of water drunk by Amina equals 250 milliliter. Quantity of water drunk by Govind equals 150 milliliter. Quantity of water drunk by both. 250 plus 150 equals 400 milliliter. Quantity of water left in the bottle, 1000 milliliter minus 400 milliliter equals 600 milliliter. So now the answer is the 600 milliliter of water is left in Amina's bottle. Now the assignment. Do all the sums in your book given today and show me afterwards. In page number 76, the question was how much Nitu will need, how much medicine will Nitu need in one day. So quantity of medicine in one injection is quantity of medicine in one injection is 5 ml, right? So it is given that Nitu has to take 3 injections in one day for 5 days. So quantity of medicine in 3 injections will be 3 into 5, so equals 15 ml, right? So the answer will be Nitu will need 15 ml of medicine in one day. Okay. And question number 2 was how much medicine Nitu will need in 5 days. So in one day Nitu will need 15 ml of medicine that we already have calculated, and so for 5 days what we will do, we will simply multiply it 15 into 5. So here I am showing it 15 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, sorry 5 5s are 25, 5 will come here, carry 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 75, right? So the answer is 75 ml. So Nitu will need 75 ml of medicine in 5 days. So students, you have already seen in the previous video that I have explained and I have showed you the answer of page number 76. Now I am explaining the process of doing it. So the question was how much water was left in Amina's bottle. So now the answer. So capacity of Amina's water bottle was 1 liter. So we all know 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter, right? So Amina drank 250 milliliter of water and Govind drank 150 milliliter of water, right? So quantity of water drank by both will be 250 plus 150 milliliter, right? So 0 plus 0 equals 0, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1 equals 3, plus 1 4. So water drank by both is 400 milliliter. So now, so the question is how much quantity of water is left. So now quantity of water left will be 1000. 1000 was the amount of total water bottle. So amount of water in the water bottle is 1000 milliliter minus 400. Here 400 we got milliliter. So 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. So here 10. So 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 6 will be here. Carry will be 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 600 milliliter. Okay students, so the page number of for this question will be 78, not 76. Okay, 78.